welcome to my next video. This vlog is gonna be a little bit different just because I didn't film as much as I truly wanted to spend the time with my friends, but I hope you will enjoy it anyway, so let's explore London. Hey guys, I just arrived in London. I just checked into our hotel. I'm so tired and so hungry. I'm gonna pick up my friend Maria at the train station. And then I will eat and shower because I feel very sticky. It's gonna be a good trip in London. I'm so excited. The train ticket from Stansted Airport to the Liverpool train station was about £21, so it wasn't that bad. And then the most convenient way how to get around London is to use the underground or tube, which you can pretty much do just the contactless payment method, just tap and go. You can also download the TfL Go app that shows you the entire underground, and it's pretty helpful, so I'll definitely use it. As another way of transportation, we use this hop-on hop-off tour bus, which is basically a double-decker that you can sit on the rooftop, which is pretty cool because you can see the whole view on the city. I think it's a really good way to explore the city quicker. The bus has usually a few different routes that stops in multiple places, so you can just hop on hop off whenever you need. You can usually get a day ticket or 2 days ticket, and we used a company called Bus, which we actually didn't have the best experience because in the evening we almost thought that there's not gonna be any more buses coming, so there was a whole experience that kind of made us a little stressed because we were on the other side of the city. So it's probably better to use a company like a Big Bus London that we saw just so many buses passing all the time. Overall, I think it was a great experience and I think it was worth it. And as I was saying my sad goodbye to Maria, it was time to meet my friends from university. just like this, the trip was coming to an end, everybody left home, and I also took my flight back to Florida. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!